First of all, being my first General Assembly, the 25th, and especially in this beautiful city of Samarkand, Uzbekistan, I would like to congratulate the leadership and secretariat of UNWTO for well organizing this 25th Assembly, but also under the able leadership and warm hospitality of the Uzbekistan government. And so far it has been an impressive moment, especially the 4 days so far. We started on Monday. It has been very extensive and rich discussion. And I have been delighted to meet with my colleagues to exchange the best practices, the case studies, and furthermore to pass through and enact some of the agendas and programs of work and budgets for the UNWTO organization.